Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm again back with my second class, that is for how to contour, blush and highlight your cheekbones. This is the idea basically to define your features and so that your face looks snatched and it provides some description to your face. So मैं इस वीडियो में आपको ये सारी चीज़ें बताऊंगी. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So starting from my contouring, and I'm using this Kryolan DJ2. So this is the contour shade and I'm taking this contouring brush from Pro Art. एंड ऑल्सो मैं अपने सारे ब्रशेज एंड सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिखूंगी नीचे, सो यू कैन चेक दैट. ऑल्सो व्हेन यू हैड मार्क दिस कंटूर लाइन, यू शुड मेक श्योर दैट ये लाइन आपकी हमेशा सेंटर ऑफ द ईयर से स्टार्ट होके यहाँ पे 2 फिंगर्स के गैप पर आके रुक जाए, मीन्स हाफ वे डाउन. सो यहाँ तक आने के बाद एंड आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन बिकॉज यू हैव टू शो योर दिस एरिया लुकिंग सो स्नैच. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू blend this line, we are going to blend this in the upward direction. You can see the difference in this area and this side. So I'm doing the same on this side also, starting from the middle of the ear and halfway down, this much only, and blending it. Now I'm taking this buffing brush and blending the line also. Okay, so for contouring you have to remember the number 3. Like you have to contour in this direction only. So you can see the number 3. So now I'm contouring my forehead to create the number 3. Now coming to the jawline area. You just have to create the shadows, not to over darken your contouring because it really doesn't look nice. Now taking the another brush and blending it all over the contour line so that it just creates shadows and don't look to be like capped only. Now coming to the nose contouring, and I'm taking this very precise brush for nose contouring. So what you have to do is you have to start the contouring of nose from the brow bone, from the eyebrow. You have to start the contouring from the eyebrow so that it looks all in one and doesn't look so separated. So the brow should be matched to the contouring of nose. Doing the same on the another side. You can see the nose is already looking so snatched. So the broader the line will be, the nose will automatically look broad, and if you are contouring the lines in narrower direction, so then your nose is going to look snatched. Okay, and also I'm blending this line also. Here you can see. Now the second step is the blusher time. So I'm using this peach nude shade for blusher. Okay, now you have to apply the blusher on the apple of your cheek. So just smile and put your blush on. Blending the blusher in the round direction and towards the contouring, you have to keep the blusher here and contouring slightly down to the blusher, and so that they look coming all together. After the blusher, the time is for some highlighting, and I'm using this Forever 52 loose highlighter powder. So guys, I'm in love with this highlighter because it takes a very less quantity, but yeah, it gives a very defined finish. So you had to apply the highlighter on your cheekbone area, the way you had applied the concealer, and some on the blusher. Now applying the highlighter on my forehead, on my nose area, on my upper lips, and on my chin too. So guys, the bronzing or contouring, blusher and highlighting goes all together and gives a perfect definition to your face so that your look looks awesome. So guys, I hope you get to know about how to do the perfect contouring like a pro. So you can see how my face is looking so snatched and so defined. So guys, stay tuned for my next video that is going to be your third class, in which I'm going to show you how to do the perfect brows. So till then, take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out my next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.